Hi everyone! In this lesson, we are going to learn about the differences between System.out.print and System.out.println. In the context of Java programming, System.out.print and System.out.println are both used for outputting text to the console, but they behave slightly differently. Let's compare both and explain them separately with same example, System.out.print. This method is used to print text to the console without moving the cursor to the next line. It prints the text and keeps the cursor on the same line. If you use System.out.print multiple times consecutively, the output will appear on the same line. So, in this example, hello and world will be printed at the same line. Now, let's check System.out.println. ln stands for line. So, whatever prints after that, it goes to the next line. This method is similar to System.out.print, but it adds a new line character at the end. It moves the cursor to the next line after printing the specified text. This is useful when you want the next output to appear on a new line. If we want to print same example, hello and world, with System.out.println, world will be printed on next line. Let's practice and see on real coding. In last session, I created a Java project. I am going to create a new class under this project. So, right-click on Default Package, click on New, then click on Class. Let's give a related name about our topic and say System.out.print differences. And don't forget to click on Main Method checkbox. It is going to create main method automatically. Remember, without a main method, your program won't be executable. You can delete unnecessary argument in here. Now, if we want our code as executable, we need to write it between these brackets. We can write our statement wherever we want between these two brackets. We can leave some space in here between them. Let's write same example to be able to see in real coding. First, I start with System.out.print. Inside parenthesis, I write hello with double quotations. And please check semicolon. If we want our code as executable, it is always supposed to end with semicolon. Then, I am going to move on second line and write world with System.out.print. You can copy this code Ctrl+C and paste it to next line with Ctrl+V and just change the hello with world. Now let's run the code by clicking green button above and see the output. As you can see, all the elements were printed in same line, because we use just print, not print line. Now let's write same example by using System.out.println. I am just adding ln in the existing code. After adding line, please save it with Ctrl+S, then let's run again. Now, we see the world on the next line, because System.out.println moves the cursor to the next line after printing the specified text. In summary, the key difference is that System.out.print doesn't move the cursor to the next line after printing, while System.out.println does. Choose the one that suits your formatting needs in a particular situation. Next session, we are going to learn about Java comments. Thanks for watching.